I am P. Kalaimahal, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Joseph Arts and Science College, Tirunavallur. Good morning, student. I am really happy to meet online classes. Welcome to second BSc Zoology, third semester. Major Cell and Molecular Biology. Now we are going to see the topic about cell. Cell. What is a cell? Some history for you. Who was the first person to look at cells? I will tell you. Robert Hooke lived in Britain and was scientist. He was the first person to observe cells. Cell. A cell is a basic unit of structure and function of life. A cell is a living thing. Cells are able to make more cells. Animals are made up of many different types of cells. Another interesting fact, new cells can only come from existing cells. Please note the point, not all animal cells contain all the same structure. Okay. Next one is discovery of this cell. 1660s, Robert Hooke first examined thin slices of cork and other plant materials, named it cells. Then Anton van Leeuwenhoek made observation of cell of plants and animal microorganisms. Next one scientist 1838 Schleiden, botany scientist. All plants are composed cells. Then zoology scientist 1839 Swan. All animals are composed of cells. This is theory. Next Rudolf Virchow proposed the cell theory. Okay. Next one is structure of animal cell. Structure of animal cells. This is plasma membrane, vacuoles, chromatin, nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi body. This is liposome, centriole, nuclear pores, polyribosomes. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. This is animal cell of components. This is cytoplasm. This is next one cell components. Cell components in the cell membrane. First of all, in the cell membrane. The cell membrane structure of animals is cell plasma membranes. This is border of the cell. This is semi-permeable membrane. This is three layers. Okay, three layer: inner, outer, middle. Inner outer layer. This is protein layers. Another middle layer is lipid layer. This is composed of proteins and lipids. Only allows some materials to pass through but keeps other out. Okay. Next function supports and protects the cell, regulate the movement of materials. Okay. Next one is vacuoles. Vacuoles, these are fluid structures. Store different substances of many small vacuoles. This function digestion, storage of chemicals, cell enlargement and water balances. This one full cytoplasm. This is fully cytoplasm. Cytoplasm jelly-like substances takes up most of the space inside a cell. This protoplasm surround the nucleus. Okay. This is fully cytoplasmic organelles. Cytoplasmic organelles means cytoplasm urupikal. This is control the respiration, transport, reproduction, metamorphosis. The activities வந்து செய்கிறது வந்து இதோட cytoplasmic organelles. Okay. Next one is nucleus. Chromatins the nucleus. Nucleus is controls cell and the activities. This is longest structure. Usually located near the center of the cell, the nucleus. Okay. The nucleus is a home to the cell of chromosomes. Okay, you know how many human chromosomes? 46. Nucleus function genetic control, direct cell division, control of protein synthesis, very important in the nucleus. Okay, next one is ribosomes. Ribosomes, this is small sized, this is the teeny spherical structures, bodies, amino acids are bound together, useful as protein synthesis, protein உருவாக்குறதுக்கு வந்து very useful to ribosomes. Okay, next one, mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria is very interesting. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of this cell. It converts food into usable energy. Spherical and rod shaped, this is one mitochondria, this is spherical and rod shaped, very important. Function pathina produced energy in the form of ATP. Then cell respiration க்கு செல்லுக்கு வந்து அந்த எனர்ஜி வந்து கொடுக்கிறது, செல் சுவாசத்திற்கு very important. The micro organisms, mitochondria. Okay, next one is Golgi body. This help package products in the cell and they give them out around the cell. Function are reduced and modified, then manufactured by endoplasmic reticulum. Next one is lysosome. Lysosome is another name is suicide bag. This is produced rough endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. This waste disposal units digesting and removing foreign materials. Okay, next one is centrosome. Centrosome near the nucleus, small rod-like structure. This attached microtubules in the wall. Function but active the process of cell division. Okay, next one is endoplasmic reticulum. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Another one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, this is endoplasmic reticulum producing important products of this cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the network for interconnected flat sacs to make protein. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum's network of interconnected this tubulus. This secreting of hormones, enzymes, carbohydrates, metabolism and lipid synthesis. Okay, this is structure of animal cells and cell components. Do you understand? Thank you for your cooperation and attention. Hope you learned some new existing things. Okay, student, you should write notes and draw the picture. Okay, thank you. See you next class.